We believe that Industry 4.0 is really going to drive productivity in different companies, and that there actually is a great return on investment to be made here if done the right way.
Just imagine the potential productivity increases stemming from a 30 to 50% reduction in asset downtime or massive FTE redeployments. As a result, companies really have only two choices: adapt or significantly lose competitiveness.
Companies that embark in this transformation journey, they see two key challenges. One is lack of strategy, and the second one is lack of talent.
In response to those challenges, McKinsey is launching a network of digital capability centers, or DCCs. The DCCs will offer three things. First, they will serve as a showcase articulating what Industry 4.0 can mean on a real-life example. Second, they will serve as deep capability building centers where companies will be able to train that workforce at scale. And third, they will serve as testbed where companies can test some of those innovative Industry 4.0 solutions before adopting them on their own premises. Singapore will be part of a network of 5 DCCs, including the USA in Chicago, Germany in Aachen, Italy in Venice, and China in Beijing.
So we're delighted to be partnering with ARTC, the Advanced Remanufacturing and Technology Center. ARTC is one of the primary research labs of A-Star. It's located in the Clean Tech Park of the Jurong Innovation District. There are two things that they bring. One, some of the best equipment that you will see anywhere in the world. And number two, a great talent bench of many PhDs and researchers focused on Industry 4.0.
The partnership with McKinsey has strategic values for ARTC. First, with McKinsey global outreach to industrial partners, the technology providers, as well as the latest thinking, it will enhance our public-private partnership ecosystem in ARTC. The industry normally use ARTC as a sandpit, where we develop advanced manufacturing solution, processes. We test bed technologies, and we also sometimes get into prototyping.
We're going to be showcasing a gearbox manufacturing company, and this is going to be a real company, $2 billion in revenues, 8,000 people. We're going to have a gearbox assembly line, and here we're going to see what does that assembly line look like before and after the adoption of some of these Industry 4.0 technologies.
DCC Singapore will showcase the digital transformation of the gearbox company all along the value chain. Starting with procurement, we will show how digitization can impact the overall source-to-pay value chain.
Digitization of procurement value chain includes spend analytics, sourcing evaluation, clean sheet costing, ERFX, and PR to PO process. This could bring significant value to the company in terms of 20% more saving and 30% faster time.
Looking at production, we will showcase how Industry 4.0 can impact the key value drivers of production, such as resource and processes, inventories, asset utilization, labor, and finally quality.
So digital performance management provides an automated, integrated, and transparent view of performance, and that will drive quicker problem solving and fastest resolution, which will then result into a higher productivity, up even to 20%. Predictive maintenance uses advanced analytics on machine operating conditions, and that will help to predict forthcoming machine failures. This will help to increase overall equipment efficiency. Downtime could be reduced up to 30 to 50%.
For the outbound supply chain, we will showcase how digitization can improve performance in terms of service, logistic costs, and inventory.
Digitization of supply chain helps to manage increased variability, both in demand and expectation also in service, while reducing transportation and warehouse costing. McKinsey will leverage the experience from the 16 different capability centers that we have around the world to develop learning modules around Industry 4.0 themes. The learning module are structured around 5 different key areas. Our plan is to continuously upgrade DCC Singapore over the next 12 months, with new demonstrators and new learning modules launched every quarter for procurement, supply chain, and production. At the end, more than 20 themes will be showcased.
We are delighted to welcome you to DCC Singapore, as well as to the global DCC network.